In this Cranfield University Quick Bite video, we demonstrate how to fix issues with the cross-references in your thesis. Figure 1.1 and its caption seen here appear to have been inserted into the document correctly. However, if we scroll back to the previous page, we see that the same image appears in the middle of a paragraph, and the formatting of the text preceding the image is not consistent with the surrounding text. This was a cross-reference to Figure 1.1, which, although was probably correct at some point, has now become damaged due to formatting which was later applied to the original figure and caption. Don't worry if that sounds complicated. The fix is simply remove and replace the cross-reference. Select the image and caption number in the damaged cross-reference. Press the Delete key on your keyboard. Select any text which appears inconsistent with the rest of the body text and reapply the normal style to ensure formatting consistency is maintained. Next, click into the text at the point where you would like to insert the new cross-reference. Then click the References tab and click the cross-reference command in the Captions group. In the Reference Type drop-down list, select Figure. Select the figure you wish to cross-reference, in this case it's Figure 1.1, then in the Insert Reference To drop-down list, select Only Label and Number. Click the Insert button and then click the Close button. The reference is inserted and is a clickable link to the figure caption in the document. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click the cross-reference to go to that point in the document. It's a good idea to update all of the field codes in your document at this stage to see whether or not the cross-reference is still damaged. Press Ctrl and A on your keyboard, then press F9. Select Update Entire Table and click OK. Repeat when prompted, selecting Update Entire Table each time.